wait a little bit, right?
Shortly.
Shortly, yes, shortly.
What did Santa bring, Xander?
What's that?
What is that? Oh my goodness. Is that a big giraffe?
Oh.
Yes. Yes.
What's that?
Oh, yeah.
Cookie Monster. Big giraffe. That's giraffe. That's Cookie Monster.
Merry Christmas morning, Riley.
Merry Christmas morning to you, Mommy.
Yes, and Skylar's still sleeping.
It's a Christmas miracle.
Yeah, that's my camera. Good morning, Xander. That's a big giraffe. Merry Christmas. Santa came. Wow. Xander, look at all the presents.
Right, I gave you a cinnamon roll. If you want to try a piece, you can.
But
You don't have to.
I just waiting for Skylar
Sure.
to come
Yeah,
down.
Xander has a cookie in his hand. A cookie has a cookie in his hand.